Today I was at my room. So that time my own friend Munna Ali he came my room and told, "Today we are going to plan for cooking special chicken curry. But today we have to pay everyone 20 rupees and remind money we will take from hostel dues." So I was agree for that. I told, okay, take from me. I gave him money and he collected from everyone 20 rupees, and he and Abdul Rahman went market and he brought. First of all, we cut no hand. After that, we peel the feather and very clearly, and we cut and wash. Before after that, I also mixed up tomato, garlic, ginger, and also green chili as per need. Then we need to marinate the meat. So for that we also keep meat in our dish, and according to need we add spices, means red chili, green chili, turmeric, and also cumin powder, coriander powder, and all things. And after that, and I told on my small brother, please marinate by your hand. So you can see I am adding means spices and one by one, and also salt. After that he also mixed up by his hand very well, and he was doing these things very good way. And after a few minutes our marinade was completed, and before marinade we also gave little bit of oil also. So while is also need. So first of all he used master oil in his hand. After that he was marinate meat very well. So after marinate, he is doing and adding everything, and he is doing perfect way, and that type of marinade is most needed. So when he marinated the meat, then I fired outside fire, because fire curry is more tasty. It is proved when you make curry in gas burner, and if you make curry in outside in earthen no stove, so it is more tasty. So first of all we give oil inside a pot, and after that I also add means onion, and I need to onion, and also cardamom, black cardamom, and I give it for yellow color, and just I am waiting for yellow color. When it will yellow color, then I will and add some cumin, solid cumin. And after a few minutes I gave so inside a pan means meat, and I mix very good way. So now we are all waiting for cooking, so we need few minutes for cooking, and we are just waiting. So it I need to move it also, because time by time we have to move it, otherwise it is not possible to no cook. So it was night time, and after a time I had means gravy. For gravy, tomato paste and onion paste, and it was really very tasty curry. You can see. So and I mixed and I gave water, and my friends told we need soup for food and rice, so that's the way I also add a little bit extra water, and I was adding water, and I also gave more water also, but after a few minutes my friends are also moving by his hand, and we are all there. Really, now it is near to cook, so just we need few minutes. After that, our curry will be ready. So now we can eat. It is near to ready. I gave one piece to my friend for checking. He also checked and told there is no taste due to lack of green red chili. So I checked and I got it is really means neat. So after that I also add a little bit red chili for more spice. So after a few minutes, our curry was ready, and just we are waiting. So after cooking, serve to all curry in bowl, and we are all 20 powders. So for that, I serve to means curry inside a bowl, and we ate. So this curry really was more tasty and more good. So one things I noticed when we make it is very tasty, but when our cook Omen and Mashi made, so there is no